Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Well, it's the same day as the last video you saw. We're going to go ahead and keep cutting some more stuff open using mostly the larger new saw, and let's see what we find this time. Hopefully something unexpected. Who knows? Decided I'd start off with some more of the Levan black agate that I've still got to cut into. Nice. Yeah, this material, especially these larger pieces, have been really good. Definitely be stuff I can, I don't know, make stuff with down the road. Here we have one of those larger agate chalcedony nodules from Red Hill, I believe I collected last year. And, oh cool. So yeah, you see it kind of going in and out of the volcanic rock. I mean, you wouldn't really be able to do much polishing it, but it looks kind of cool nonetheless. Here's some more of that kind of jasper agate mixed stuff from the Challis Volcanics. I don't remember if this was from last year or this year. And, oh hey! Wow. This does look like a lot of the stuff we've been finding up Short Creek, so maybe this was from that area. I don't know. But it's nice stuff either way. How about a nice piece of Vernon Wonderstone? We haven't done one of those yet. Today or for a while. Alright. Oh, this is a good one. Look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, whenever you open these up, they kind of look like butterfly wings. Nice, nice stuff. Here's another rock of the kind of jasper agate mix from Red Hill. Again, I think this was last year. This should be really good. And it is. Look at that. Yeah, when the chalcedony and the jasper meet, they can give you some nice material. Here we have a piece of jasper agate mix, probably. I think from the Drum Mountains, maybe the Little Sahara area. Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. It's one of those areas. Okay, big jasper nodule from the swell. Come on, be something good. Okay, it's decent. It's one of the more classic ones where it's mostly quartz in the middle. No like pocket, but it still looks really nice. This is just good material. And the final one for this episode today. This one I definitely remember collecting at the Drum Mountains, and it really looks good from the outside, so I think it's gonna look awesome inside. Oh, look at that. Wow. There's some good clear chalcedony. Some yellow plumes of the jasper. This is a beautiful piece. What a nice one to end on. Well, that was some nice stuff. Those were some good jasper agate mixes. That Red Hill piece and then the Drum Mountains piece. Those were awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was a lot of fun. Until next week or within the next couple weeks, you'll get to see the next cutting video. Remember, there is treasure everywhere.